Welcome to this instructional video, which will cover how to use the annexes contained in the installation manuals of your OVE Decor shower from the Endless collection. The installation manual booklet starts by showing and listing all the required measurements that are needed to install this shower kit. It lists the different width, depth, height, glass panel sizes, and other dimensions. It shows a schematic top view of the alcove or corner wall structure recommended for optimal installation of this shower configuration. Finally, at the very end of the installation manual, the annexes are presented listing all the dimensions in a tabular fashion. Each row corresponds to one possible shower configuration of the OVE Endless collection. Take notice of the Annex Guideline page, which explains how to use and read the annexes. Also note that the annex measurements are listed in inches and then repeats in millimeters. The key is now to find the row that matches your precise shower configuration kit. To do so, you may use the configuration ID on the first column of the annex. The configuration ID is a 9-character long ID string. Each unique ID represents a single unique shower configuration kit. You may find this configuration ID on the web page where you've purchased your shower kit or on the invoice provided by the retailer of purchase. In the event that you are unable to locate the shower kit configuration ID, it is also very easy to pinpoint the adequate row in the annex simply by measuring each panel that makes up your shower kit. Start by measuring the width of each glass panel. At most, your shower kits will be composed of a fixed panel where the width is listed in the annex column with the header FP, a door panel, column header DP, an inline panel, column header IP, a side panel, column header SP, and a shower base, column header SB. Note that you may have a buttress height shower kit, in which case you may also have a buttress inline panel, column header UI, and a buttress side panel, column header US. Only measure the width of the naked glass panel. These measurements should not take into account seal strips or metal tracks. In the instance where your shower kit contains a shower base, then it is necessary to measure the shower base width, depth, and height, and to match these measurements with those contained in the base column of the annex. Using the glass panel width and the shower base dimensions, if included in your kit, you can easily locate the row of the annex which measures your shower kit. As an example, if you had measured a fixed panel of 9 and 12/16 inch, a door panel of 23 and 9/16 of an inch, an inline panel of 9 and 10/16 of an inch, a side panel of 28 and 15/16 of an inch, and a shower base of 48 by 32 by 2 and 12/16 of an inch, then the row of the annex containing all these measurements for your specific shower kit would be the first row here. And you can now understand the dimension drawings in your installation manual with all the correct measurements in inches or millimeters. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy your OVE Decor's Endless shower.